My name is Dr. Caleb Stott. I am one of the founders of Smile Now Dentures and Implants. We are a full-service implant center that provides same-day solutions for people with missing teeth, that have broken teeth that no longer function, or have been in a denture for a really long time. At Smile Now Dentures and Implants, we value ongoing long-term care. That means that we are doing semi-annual cleanings. We're also assessing things on an annual basis with x-rays. We just really care about the longevity of what we do with you and want to make sure that we can take care of those for the lifetime of your implants and the rest of your life.
We know all of our patients by name. We take care of them. We can answer the phone and almost know them by hearing their voices. The staff is happy. The doctor is great. Everyone loves working together.
Principally, there's two types of patients that we see in our office. There's going to be those whose teeth no longer work for them. Those are ones that often come in pain, a lot of embarrassment because of the way that their smile looks. They're doing everything that they can to save their teeth, but it's just not working for them. And then it's also for patients that have been in dentures for a long time, didn't want to go the route of having something that they have to take in and out every single day. They want to be able to enjoy the food that they're eating, to feel the temperature of the food that they're eating, feel normal. We also do individual implants. So it's not just about full mouth rehabilitation, but if you're missing a single tooth, we would love to help you out with that. Quality of life is probably the most important thing that we discuss with our patients. What is it that you love to do? What is it that you want to gain from this? What are your personal goals? For some people, it's to be able to smile in public. For some people, they're in a managerial position where they have a lot of people that they deal with on a day-to-day basis and they want to feel respected. The unfortunate nature of teeth is that in our society, the number one thing that people are often judged on is what their smile looks like. So if you have missing teeth, or if you have broken down teeth, or if you have a lot of staining on your teeth, then these are things that people are going to judge you immediately for. At Smile Now Dentures and Implants, we don't judge you. We understand where you're coming from. We get patients from all sorts of social, economical situations that come in and see us. We have people that come in due to drug abuse. We have people that come in because their teeth just stopped working after everything that they could do for years and years and years. And we provide solutions to help you regain the confidence to smile again, to look your best, and to fulfill your goals. Our typical surgical procedure, it's actually done in one day. And when I mean one day, typically it's 5 to 6 hours total.
They're able to do a lot of the things that are needed in one spot. So rather than going to an oral surgeon and seeing your general dentist and then going and seeing a prosthodontist, you're able to do that here and then leave with teeth the same day.
We'll have our typical patient come in the morning. We have a certified nurse anesthetist that helps us with putting them to sleep. So it's full sedation through something called nasal intubation. That just means that they're being taken care of while they're asleep.
It's been a great relationship that we've had with Smile Now. Our goals align. Our safety is of utmost importance. They're great to work with. They can anticipate any sort of needs that are required for us to do these cases safely.
Through that process, we can do all the steps needed to place implants, remove teeth, get rid of infection, build up the bone again, just really do everything that needs to happen in order to get a healthy smile. This is a revolutionary medical device that gives you the opportunity to feel whole again. I see people every single day that have broken teeth, they're wearing dentures, they've been doing it for a long time, they're in a lot of pain and discomfort, and through dental implants, they can improve their situation, have better quality of life as far as eating the foods that they want, smiling in the way that they want, talking to people, being out in public, and just not feeling ashamed of what's going on and feeling judged because of it. We're here because of the patients. This isn't about us. It's not about what we do. It's very fulfilling to be able to help people regain the quality of life that they're looking for in their life. And if it wasn't for dental implants, we just simply wouldn't be able to do that. We warranty our work, and we're excited to help you out.